Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I guess you're probably wondering, what the hell is Infill? For those who do not know, we're going to show you what that is. We'll be right back. I hope this video was helpful and explains to you what the hell Infill is. It can be confusing. I hope this video helped you. If you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
This is something I want to show you. This is kind of a part B to this. With this item that we're working on, I'm going to go to 50%. I'm going to hit prepare. We're going to go from 153 grams to look how much we go to. 530. It's almost half a spool just by going 50% filament.